Hey guys, this is Pam, your favorite paralegal slash Notary Public from Brooks Notary and Litigation Support. Doing this video, this is the part 2 to my intro about becoming a Notary Public. So in this one, I'm going to start with California, the first one that I did. And just to give you a few pointers on where to go. So first, you need to go to California Secretary of State website. So here, you see that we have Dr. Shirley N. Weber is the California Secretary of State. And there's an entire section that is dedicated to the Notary Public. So what you would do is you would go there, you click on the section called Notary and Apostilles. Hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. I've never done those, so that I don't know. So Notary and Apostilles, and you will click on that menu, and it'll take you to the Become a Notary Public section. So once you're there, you will then have the option to read about what the requirements are to become a Notary Public. And so then, of course, you have to be 18 years of age, have to be a legal California resident, and you have to complete the course of study, which is 6 hours in California. So the good thing is they have it online and they have it in person. So, if you're better at visual in-person interaction, then they have options for you there. And they also have options for online people, who are like me, who are kind of introverted and kind of, want to keep, to yourself. So they have online and in-person class. It's you can do it one day, 6 hours, save a 6-hour block, get it done same day. Then you have the option after that to register for the state exam. And so you pass the class, you register for the state exam, and in my experience, El Camino College is where I took mine when I was in California, both times. So I registered for the class at El Camino College, and then I went for the exam the following day, also at El Camino College. So then what you would do is get your registration done. Then you're going to fill out the application, which is also available on the Secretary of State's website, the application for the exam. And then with that application, you need to have a passport size ID photo. It's going to be on record with the Secretary of State. So you're going to need 2 of those. And then for the exam, you're going to need 2 number 2 pencils, and they're going to take everything from you. So don't bring your phone, don't any of that. They're going to take everything, or they're going to make you shut your phone off, everything. So then once you take your exam, pass your exam, we won't know then that you passed. It takes a few weeks for you to get your results. And so then they'll let you know, pass or fail, and then you go ahead and then start the process. And then that entails getting a background check. And once the background check comes through, then you go ahead and you can start getting your notary supplies. And I'll do a video on where I got my supplies. I still use them to this day. Notary Rotary, by the way. Awesome. So get your notary supplies, then you'll receive your commission and everything from the Secretary of State, and then you'll be able to start notarizing. So I hope that helps. And you guys in California, you have to be in California. You guys in California now know steps you can take to become a Notary Public. This is Pam signing off, your favorite Notary Public / paralegal. And, if you want to reach me, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, my handle is @BrooksNotary, website, brooksnotary.com. And if you like my t-shirt, you can pick one up yourself from bnlsstore.com. All of that will be linked in the description. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bear with me, I'm a little nervous, but I appreciate you taking the time. I'm going to do another one on Nevada.